Jennifer here with Over the River Felt, and today I'm going to show you how to roll up some of our 3D roses. They do come in two sizes, a mini and a medium. You do need a hot glue gun to finish this project, so just to get started, what you want to do is unravel your flower, okay? And then you're going to have two sides. One's going to have like a circle, and one's just going to have the point. You always want to start with the pointed side. Okay, you're going to have an upper scallop and the lower scallop. Okay, so what you want to do is start with the point and start pinching it and rolling it in your hand until you get to the first lower scallop. So we're just going to roll that, and now that I'm at the scallop, I'm going to press it between my two fingers. So this way, as I'm rolling, the scallop always stays in the same position. So we're going to roll it. And I'm going to see, so it stays the same. I'm going to continue to roll. Keep going. You do not want to glue this as you are rolling. It's not necessary because that circle that I was showing you, it will actually pinch everything together, so you don't need to be gluing as you're going. So here we go, and you're going to see your circle. You're going to see one scallop and two scallops. So what you want to do is slightly flip that over, and you're going to want to put a small dab of glue on the second scallop. Okay? And then you're going to want to press that, continue to press that on the side. Then you're going to want to take your circle on the underside of it. You're going to put some glue, and you're going to press it in the center. So that secures all those loops that you just made. And there is your flower. Now for the two-tone look, what you want to do is take two flowers the same size, and you're going to want to put the 2 points together, and that's where we're going to start. We're going to start them in the exact same position. As we roll it, they will not be in the same position, so it's a bit tricky to keep them together. So what you want to do is just start rolling just like we did with the other one, and you can see there's our bottom scallop. So we're going to pinch those in our fingers, and we're going to keep rolling, and just make sure that these scallops stay together, because it can get very tricky because they like to move. So it's important that you keep these pinched between your fingers. But it's, once you get the knack of it, it's really exciting to see what they become. I really do like the two-tone look, or just even the ability to make a larger flower without having to buy more supplies. So keep going. It gets, like I said, it does get a bit tricky, but as you can see, like I said, the pink one is shorter and the green one is longer, so we're gonna get that green one down first, and the second scallop to the end, just like the first one that we made. We're gonna put a dab of glue there. You don't need much. Secure it down. And then you're going to want to secure your circle. Okay. And then we're going to finish up with the top layer. Second scallop over. And our circle. And now they are ready for the leaves and to be attached to your project. As you can see, you can get several different sizes and looks to your flowers once you finish rolling them up. This is a mini rose, and it measures about an inch when you're completed. This is a two-color mini rose, and that is 1 1/4 inches. This is a medium rose, and that is 1.5 inches, and this is a 2-color medium rose, and that is 2 inches. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help. And if you want to see any more color combinations, let me know, and I'd be happy to do that for you. Thank you.